In this video, we are going to learn about Google Slides. We're going to focus on themes and layouts and how to add information and format when we're in a new Google Slides presentation. So first of all, you should go to Google Drive and click on New and Google Slides. Pretty simple, right? And when you open up Google Slides, you'll see that here on the right-hand side, you can choose from a number of themes. Depending on the theme you choose, you'll have a different color scheme for your slide presentation. Currently, there are 23 different options for themes for your slide presentation. We'll take a look at 3. Okay, so the way you look through your themes is by scrolling down, and when you see a color or a theme that you think you like, go ahead and click on it. All right, I like this bright color. And so in each theme, there are 11 different possible layouts for every slide. And the way you decide which slide layout you want is by coming up here to the toolbar and clicking on the Layout tab. And you see those 11 different possibilities pop up. So let's say I really like, this is a great one for my title slide. And to add a new slide, you right click and click on New Slide. Okay. To do a new layout, you go back up to Layout. And let's say I would like to do purple this time. Okay. To add a new slide, I come to my slide and left click on it, and then I right click and choose New Slide. So here we have 11 different layouts to choose from. Okay, now let's take a look at a couple of different themes. Let's say, I don't really know if I like that color scheme. It might be a little too bright for what I'm doing. Let's take a look at something else. Let's see what else we could choose. I like this blue one. That has a little bit more of a professional feel. Maybe that's what I'm looking for today. So as soon as I choose that theme, each slide layout changes to that particular theme. Same with this. Here's another one. Each theme is so kind of unique and different. So you can click on whichever one you want, and you can even do this when your slide presentation is done. You can experiment and choose, see which one that you like the best. Okay. Let's talk about, now that we've talked about themes and layouts, now remember the themes are over here on the right when you open up the new Google Slides, and the layouts are up here on the top. So let's say for now I've chosen my theme, I want to exit out of that so I have more room to work with the content. Okay, so here's a title slide. If you saw that, as soon as I clicked on that slide, it shows me where the default settings are of putting things, okay? So here it says click to add title. It makes it really easy for me. So I'm going to go ahead and write themes and layouts. Okay, that looks great. And then for my subtitle, I'm going to put adding info, comma, formatting. Okay, so let's say I look at this slide and I don't really like very well how it's laid out, and I want to change the formatting. Well, changing formatting is a lot like the way you do it in Google Docs and Google Sheets. It is a little bit different, but it is a lot the same. So let's say I really want this to be bigger, and I want it to be up a little bit higher. To make it higher, I can come up here. When I get this little cursor, when my cursor turns into a 4-directional arrow, that means I can click and drag. So I am going to click and drag that so that my themes and layouts is higher up. I like that better. I'm going to stick with that. And you can see when I started moving things around, my regular toolbar kind of popped up in place of the one that said themes and layouts. Okay? Let's say I want to get more colorful. Remember, triple clicking will select a whole line up to the point that you press enter. So I'm going to show you that again. Click, click, click. Wait, click, click, click. Triple click selects the whole thing. Okay? Let's say I would like to do a different color of writing. How about a bright color like purple? Yeah, pretty good. Not too bad. Well, let's see. I don't know that I like that so well, so it's not quite bright enough for this dark background. Let's try yellow. Ooh, I like that. Now let's do the same thing with this one on the bottom. Let's say I want to move this up right underneath where it says themes and layouts at the top. So remember, I move my cursor sort of to the top of the box. Once it becomes a 4-directional arrow, I can drag it and position it the way that I want to. Let's say I would like to have the same color of writing, so I'm going to come and choose that bright yellow. Okay? Well, I just showed you how to maneuver boxes, change them from the default layout. I showed you how to do themes and layouts. And when you just click on the regular slide area is when you have the option to change the background color. In fact, let's do that. You have so many different options. Okay. But when you click on the text boxes, that's when your formatting toolbar pops up. I hope you've learned something from this video. I have an assignment for you now that you've watched this video. I want you to open up your own Google Slides presentation. I want you to use your right-clicking on the first slide to add 2 more slides. And then I want you to choose 3 different layouts. Good luck!